In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table in Outlook web app. We'll walk through the different ways to create a table right inside your email, and I'll share a few helpful tips so your message looks clean and professional. First, open Outlook on the web and start a new message. You can do this from your inbox by selecting New Message. This puts you in the Compose window where all of the insert tools are available. Next, move your cursor to the message toolbar and hover over Insert, then choose Table. This opens the Table Options menu, and from here you can pick the method that suits you best. If you already know roughly how many rows and columns you want, use the grid selection. Hover over the grid to highlight the number of cells you need, then click. This is the fastest option for a simple layout. Don't worry if you're not exact after the table is placed, you can add or remove rows and columns as needed, and you can drag the borders to resize them for better spacing. If you want precise control, select Insert Table. This lets you specify the exact number of rows and columns before the table is created. It's a great choice when you're following a strict layout, like a weekly schedule or a checklist. In this menu, you may also see templates, including an option to insert an Excel spreadsheet. That's useful if you need calculations or more advanced formatting. Just keep in mind that spreadsheets are best for data-heavy emails and may display differently for recipients depending on their email client. Another option is Draw Table. When you select this, your cursor turns into a drawing tool so you can sketch the table's outline and then draw custom rows and columns. This is handy for irregular layouts, like a form with sections of different sizes. Take your time with the lines. Clean edges make the final result easier to read. Once your table is in place, click into any cell and start typing your content. Use Tab to move to the next cell, and Shift Tab to move back. You can format text with bold, italics, or color from the toolbar to highlight headers or totals. If your table starts to feel cramped, widen columns or add spacing so it reads well on both desktop and mobile. Keep contrast strong and headers clear so your recipients can scan quickly. That's it. Thanks for watching.